fingertip. I get the whole hand dirty. It's the injury.
Thanks for your help, Clifford. That stuff is heavy. Jeez Louise.
Hotness, effortless. Throw yourself with the heater's eyes. Make you work somehow. Eat all over it. Pour it all out. Get all over it now. Next throw down. Let it all out. Get all over it. Hey, are you digging in? Or you on the surface? With the all you got, do you serve it out till you're out of service? Or you can wait and see, make bets on the lottery. Or jump in, teeth and skin, grind it out with your whole damn body. Make you work somehow, eat all over it, pour it all out.
So that was a quick little easy project in preparation for the next project we have. The number one question I have right now is, will we be able to pick this thing up and bring it to where it needs to go? We'll see tomorrow. Okay, I think oh.
That is heavy.
Am I dancing?
Real thing rather than a photograph. Rather make a story I could laugh at. Write a lackluster paragraph. Side is how you see. We look for it, or what should lead. Side is all in how you see. We look for it, or what should lead.
Where's that going? Nowhere.
You can't go, sorry. You country dogs don't know how to stay in the yard. Come on. Good boy. All right, hi everyone, and welcome back once again to the Life in Pines.
To our cones, nuts, and even you needles, thanks for dropping in.
Yeah, we're so glad you're here today. Hope you guys have been having a really great week.
Yeah, we are now, if you recognize it, back at the project house.
Have you guys missed this place?
Yeah, it's actually been keeping us surprisingly pretty busy. And we're the ones that are, you know, doing all the maintenance and
turning it over, cleaning it. So while you guys haven't seen this place in a really long time, we come here quite regularly. We've been doing a bunch of work here. Teddy was able to replace our water heater. If you guys remember, like the 1947 water heater that was in here, we finally replaced it.
Isn't she lovely?
But we're back today to take on yet another project that we're super excited about, because you may or may not know that this place does not have a garage, which has been kind of a huge inconvenience for us.
Yeah, a lot of people have been asking if there is a place for storage for, you know, odds and ends. And we were actually at Costco just the other day looking for a shed. And
we don't have it in the budget to buy or to build a garage here right now. So we were just gonna look for a little garden shed, something to like store the snowblower, lawnmower, some odds and end tools, and also a place for guests to, you know, store some of their stuff if they want to. Then
a company called Patiowell reached out to us, and they offered to send us a shed that would be absolutely perfect for our property. So
yeah, so that's what we're doing today. We're going to get this shed put together. As you guys saw, we already had built the platform for it. So the kids helped us get that hauled over here. We got it on the ground. And so right now we're just gonna get started and put that shed together. Not sponsored, but super thankful to Patiowell for sending us the shed. Like, couldn't have asked for more perfect timing.
Perfect, yeah.
Anyway, that's what we're doing today.
That's what we're doing today.
Do you feel better now that you have the instructions?
No, because this looks like a door. That's not where we start. There's a spider in there too.
Aww.
Just like a sunrise, you set a scene, turning my gray skies blue. Just like you always do. I don't want anyone else, 'cause I know there's
B4. B4.
We're trying. They didn't get it.
What kind of hootis is that?
It's a wall kicking attachment hootis. Okay, so we got some of the walls up, and as you guys can see, this shed has kind of like a cool kick it assembly method that the kids have been having a lot of fun with. So that method makes it not only fun to put together, but it also requires about 35% less screws? 35% less screws, which not only saves you on screws, but it saves you on installation time.
Distracting me.
I'm distracting you.
Yeah.
Look at your dad.
Can I come in?
Yeah, come on in. Hey, you shouldn't put screws in your mouth.
It only took 14 years to get used to you.
anyone else. I don't want anyone else, 'cause I know there's not anyone else that makes me feel the way you do. It's easy to prove I don't.
So another one of the things that we love about this shed is that it does come with a lifetime warranty. So typically they only offer the lifetime warranty on their Plastic Pro sheds, but if you guys use our code LIP17, they're gonna give you a lifetime warranty on all the products on their website plus a 17% discount. So head to the description box below. I'll put all that information and a link to their website down there in the description box. Okay, so the shed is done. Huge thank you to Patiowell for sending this to us. It was such a big blessing, and huge thank you to the kids, of course, for helping us get it all put together. All right, so before we go home today, there's just like a couple little things that the kids are gonna help us finish up today, and then we're gonna head home. CJ has been working super hard on this dirt bike that used to be my brother's, and Finley has been begging to get on the mini trail bike. So we're gonna get home and do that, and we'll be right back here tomorrow though to get a couple other projects done. So stick around.
I'm a companion. I'll go anywhere you are. I ride my bike with you on the handlebars. Up the hill we go, 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 go. Down the road we go, 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 go. All around we go, 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 go. I'm alongside of you. Let's keep it moment to moment, living on the edge of a dream. I'll wake you up in the morning with the sun coming over the east. As long as we're together, it's enough for me. It doesn't matter where we are. Home is where the heart is. It doesn't matter where we are. Home is where the
Okay, so we are back at the project house today to take care of this eyesore. And it may be in a little bit of an unconventional way, but either way, it's gonna look a million times better than it does right now.
Auburn light in the morning, the birds waking up in the east. As long as we're together, it's enough.
What is up with that? Going in crooked?
Where we are, home is where the heart is. It doesn't matter where we
You going?
Yeah. Push it. Perfect. The skill saw backwards or the grinder.
Yeah.
That's the way to go.
This is too much.
Oh, there you go. So, like I said, unconventional, but it's what we had, right?
I thought it would be in the junk Tupperware. You never know what you're gonna need. Past me knew that future me would look into another container that requires the same bit and put it in here.
Yay!
So I found it.
Yay! Thank goodness. I just like cleaned out your bag for you, though.
I think I need my longer ones.
Babe?
Third time's a charm.
You okay? There we go.
Can't deny it, life's a treat, I just wanna try it. This is the good life, soak in the good vibes. We're living out our dreams, we're living wild free. So drink up the sunshine, 'cause everything's alright. We're living out our dreams, yeah, this is the good life. Come alive. This is the good life. Soak in the good vibes. We're living out our dreams. We're living wild free. So drink up the sunshine, 'cause everything's alright. We're living out our dreams. Yeah, this is the good life.
Can you see what you're doing?
Not really.
Do you want me to do it?
Every now and then I get a little Yeah, everybody says I get a little too excited when I drink that juice. I got my high hopes piled in a big old heap. Sometimes I get worked up by the modern drink. Sometimes I howl at the room like a mangy beast. And it's cool, that's not your thing, but that's just
Okay, so it is the next morning, and the last step in finishing the project at the project house is to fill in that
our little garden area.
Yeah. And we know that you can get rocks from Menards or like a local company, but we're lucky enough to have a county sand pit, and you can come in here. You have to get a permit. You get the code to the sand pit to get in, and then you can take as much as you pretty much can grab by hand. You can't take machinery in here, but yeah. So in true Usama fashion, we are here to do it the hard way, but the cheap way. Yeah.
So
yeah, let's do it.
Makes you wanna swing low, let go. I love what it do to me. I got my high hopes knocking outside my door, about to let them all in. About to get some more. You can't buy this thing at your corner store, but you can get it right here for free. Yeah, that's just me.
Do you have your Crocs on? Oh, I was gonna say, you got up there with your Crocs? Crocs with socks, hauling rocks. Okay, we ready to go unload it all now?
How many people does it take to close a gate? You guys all right back there?
But I loved it. Amazing. But maybe that's just me.
Something we've never done before.
Why do we do this stuff?
It's fun. We're having fun.
Oh, fun.
We'll go live.
People.
We're doing it.
Okay.
So another one of the things that we love about this shed.
Nope. Nope.
My gosh.
Just need the car clean.
Oh. Thanks, Finley.